Pins. The pin menu is located on the bottom left-hand corner next to the home button. Tap on a style of pin, then tap on the structure to place the pin. Tap on the icon again and repeat to place multiple pins. Pins can be resized with a pinch gesture directly on the pin, or rotated by dragging the yellow ball. Select any pin to change the number, or first select the number before placing the pin. Only the numbers 1 through 10 are available for each of these 5 styles for a total of 50 pins. Up to 5 lumbar needles and 5 syringes can be placed, which function just like pins. The last option in the menu is the import model option. Here, 3D anatomy or medical device models can be loaded into the software. Models such as stents, plates, screws, pacemakers, and many more. Tap the icon, then select the file you wish to import, and note that only STL, PLY, and OBJ file types are supported. The software prompts with a message. Select No to place this model on a specific desired location. The model will load in and the model action menu will appear. The first option, highlighted in blue, turns on the model widget. Several touch gestures are supported here. A pinch gesture allows you to resize the model. A pan gesture with 2 fingers will move the model, and a spin gesture with 2 fingers will spin the model. 1 finger will rotate the model. Select the linear arrows to drag the model about 1 axis, or select the orange arrows to pivot or rotate. The second icon is the stitch option. This option maps the model to the structure. Follow the on-screen prompts to pick the precise points on the model and the structure. The 3D, 2D layout icon opens the 3D, 2D view. Here, the imported model is outlined in white. The fourth icon allows you to edit the dimensions of the model. These length, width, height dimensions refer to the red bounding box of this model. When the pin menu is closed, double tap on the 3D model to open the action menu. If the pin menu is open, only one tap on the model is required to open the action menu.